What's up, everybody? Doing a quick video showing you how to set up a Discord bot to track transactions in your Tezos wallet. One of the biggest challenges I've found doing transactions on object.com is being able to track sales, secondary sales, just anything I'm doing in Tezos. Just it's impossible right now to see what's going on. So I needed a way to track transactions. So I found this bot by Crypto Noises where you can actually activate it for Discord or Telegram. I'm going to use Discord. I'm not a Telegram user. And you can follow the instructions here. You go to their Discord, go to their channel, and then type in hi. But I have this link here from TopGG. They have the bot in here. And basically, if you hit invite, it's going to ask you to add it to a server. And I have my test server. I'm going to hit authenticate. If you're using two-form authentication, you'll have to go through that process as well. This is a test server, so I don't have that set up. And then basically, I can close this. If I come to my server, HOA, I can now see that Crypto Noises has landed. I see the bot is over here. All you have to do is type /start. And it will give you all the options here. So the main thing we want to do is add our wallet. So I'm going to come into my wallet. I'm going to copy the wallet address. And I'm going to type in /add wallet. And then just hit Control V to paste the wallet address. Hit enter. And now it has added the wallet. You can go into the settings if you like. You can do some filters and rename whatever you like. You can remove the wallet. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to switch over to my other browser. Actually, when I still have the wallet address copied, sorry. Yep, I still have it. So I'm going to come to my other browser, and I have a Tezos wallet here. I'm going to go ahead and send some Tezos to House of Angels, and I'm going to send, I'll send 5 Tez over. I'm going to go ahead and click send. I'm going to confirm. All right, so that's a success. Now, if I watch in here, what will happen, let me go back into the wallet. See, it's arrived, so I should receive a DM in here from Crypto Noises telling me that that transaction happened. There it is, Crypto Noises. And now I can see an incoming transaction, and it was from Chaz Wesley 99. The amount of Tez is 5, and it gives you the Bitcoin and the US dollar value. And now if I was to go into object.com, I'm just going to scroll all the way down and find myself like a $1. Something cheap here. Common, learning to paint. Let's find something here fun. All right, not a whole lot of fun stuff. Let's go ahead and just do the cheapest one here, 55 cents. This pretty lady here from Digital Minds. I'm going to go ahead and do buy now. I'm going to confirm this in my Treasury wallet. I'm going to hit confirm. My purchase was successful. Now, Tezos is not as fast as Solana, but if you hang out for a minute or so, you'll see the transaction pop up here. It should show the image, the amount I paid for it. And the same would happen if somebody was to buy art from you, or you were to have a sale on secondary and receive royalties. All that should be showing up. There we go. There's my purchase. There's the picture. And you can click on the links to go see. Actually, if you click here, go to the actual item. I'm going to go ahead and just trust this. Visit. Yep, goes right to the item. If I click object.com, right to the item, I want to see the creator's work. There's all their work. I want to see the seller. That's going to be the same as my creator in this case. Secondary, obviously that would change. And then if I want to see the whole collection that that's in, I can see that as well. Really nice, quick and easy. And yeah, if I was to send this to my wallet, my other wallet, it would show up here as a transaction. So basically all transactions in your wallet are going to show up as a DM in Discord. And obviously if you're a Telegram user, you could do it there as well. It's a really convenient way to keep track of what's going on in your wallet, especially if you're an artist selling art. The biggest challenge in Object right now is being notified, and this is a great solution to remedy that. So anyhow, I hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend, and I hope this video helps. Be well. Cheers.